Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, nice to meet you. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support, your kindness, your love, all that good stuff. I am very appreciative. All right, you guys, before we jump in, go ahead and subscribe. Might as well get that out of the way because it's free and it's quick. Just click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell. That way you're notified when I do upload. Normally upload Mondays and Wednesdays, but I think I'm gonna start sprinkling in some surprise videos. So let's get that out of the way. And today, you guys, we are doing an unboxing. I know you guys love these unboxings, and Influencer has so graciously, kindly, and just generously sent me a box, which I am very, very excited about. So let's just dive right in, you guys. I have the box right here in front of me. Let's get started. All right, so Influencer has sent me a box, and I know what it contains because it has the name of the product right on front. Let me actually find a way to cover some information up. All right, so that is what they sent me. It is a SHISIEDO product, you guys. How exciting. I do want to mention, although Influencer sent these products to me, they are in no way, shape, or form paying me to say anything or, telling me what to say. These reviews and thoughts are truly my honest opinion. So let's get started. All right, when you open the box up, this is what you get, you guys. All right. Very nice. And then it first has a little carton filled with information. Let me go ahead and read it to you guys. It says SHISIEDO peak protection, peak for performance. It's by Influencer, as in like they sent it to me. You can follow SHISIEDO at SHISIEDO or SHISIEDO Sun Care. Let's see. More newness under the sun. Meet the new clear sunscreen stick, SPF 50, powered by the same wet force and heat force technology in the ultimate sun protector lotion, SPF 50 plus. The formula creates an invisible, lightweight protective veil that becomes more effective in the heat, water, and sweat. It is ocean-friendly formula, free of oxybenzone and octinoxate and octinoxate. Hawaii compliant, invisible on all skin tone, clear stick, can be used under and over the makeup. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay. That is the information. So again, here's that side and here's that side. Now, the products they sent me are two products. I got these two products right here. Let's go ahead and open them up. I'm going to begin by opening up this baby right here. So the packaging is pretty interesting. It looks like it comes in a bag. That's kind of cute. It's different and cute. So is there a place where I can tear this open, or do I need scissors? How do I do this? Oh, okay, right. So you can open it up right here. Ooh, like a Ziploc bag. All right. Take that out. That is super cute though, I'm not gonna lie. I know it's just a bag, but it's cute. I like it. Alright, here is the Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion. That is the SHISIEDO Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion. Now, I will say I have used SHISIEDO Sun Protector Lotion before, and I do really like it. So even before trying this, I already know that I'm gonna love it because I've tried it before. Now, is this specific one a brand new one they came out with? This one in particular, I don't think so. I have tried this, and I think I have it in like my pile of like, makeup to get rid of, like empties. I'm gonna check that later on and show you guys. But if I'm not mistaken, I think I've tried this before, and if it's the same one, then yes, I do love it. I don't want to open it, you guys, because I do have a sunblock SPF I'm currently using. So once I'm done using that, I will go ahead and start using this and show you guys. But I have used this, and from what I can remember, I do love this product. Now, let's go into the other one. So I do apologize for not being able to open it up for you guys. I just don't want to really open it up till I really have to. You know what? You know what? I'll take that back just for you guys because I do love you guys. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. Alright, let's go ahead. It does come with a little cap. Alright, so that's kind of cute. Okay. And let's squeeze a little bit out on the back of my hand just to show you guys. Alright, do you guys see that? Just the way it's falling on the back of my hand, it tells you it's very lightweight, very silky smooth. It feels very nice. You guys, this product feels very, very nice. It does have like a perfumey smell to it, so if you're not really into that, like a skincare perfumey smell, you get what I'm saying? So if you're not a big fan of that, you might want to skip out on it, but I mean, it feels very nice. And this product, I feel like it would be even nicer if you throw it in your little skincare mini refrigerator, and then when you're ready to use it, take it out of that mini refrigerator and then pop it on your face. Cooling, sun protection, SPF, that will look, oh, that would be amazing. It feels very nice on the back of my hand. Lightweight, I love it. It does have that scent, so if you're not a big fan of like scented products, you might want to skip out, but I mean, it's nice. You guys see that? Alright, so that is the Wet Force X Heat Force Turns Invisible Broad Spectrum SPF 50 for face and body. Perfect. All right, so that is what it looks like. Okay, so the next product is this. It's another Shiseido product. Now this, you guys, I am very excited for because it's a clear sunscreen stick. Not like a lotion, but a stick. That is super exciting. So basically, it sounds like I can toss it in my purse, put it in my pocket, take it to go. All right. Take that out. Ooh, look how cute the packaging is, you guys. Love that. It looks like a little deodorant stick, you guys. It's so cute. That is adorable. I love how it has like that gradient effect. It kind of reminds me of the ocean. Anyway, so that is super cute. This, I'm definitely going to be putting it in my purse and carrying it around because, you know what? Oh, that is, look at that, you guys. That looks so nice. Now, I've already wiped off the back of my hand from the earlier product. We're going to try this out. Now, I don't think this has a scent to it. I'm not really smelling anything. The other one, the first one I opened up, you guys, that definitely had like a perfumey scent to it. So if you're not a fan of that, just wanted to tell you guys. Now, this is exciting. It even looks so pretty. Is it just me? Does it look really nice? You know, look at it. It's so pretty. All right, let's check that out. Ooh, that feels so nice. Obviously, you can't see it because it is invisible, but it feels really nice. Yeah, I don't really smell anything really. The one earlier, like this one, it definitely had a much, you know, dare I say, stronger smell than this one. Now, this is going to be perfect for like a to-go item because honestly, I feel like once you apply your SPF, it doesn't stay on all day. You have to reapply. So this is going to be perfect when I go out or, you know, of course, being safe about it, but this is going to be perfect. I love this. Ooh. For face and body. 80 minutes. That's a pretty good long-lasting power. 80 minutes, you guys. That's super cute. Okay, you guys. I'm excited, okay? If you want to see updates on these two products, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. Or even follow me on my TikTok. I'll talk about them there. And that is pretty much it for this unboxing. Again, thank you so much to Influencer for sending me these products, and thank you to Shiseido, and thank you to you guys. You know, honestly, I wouldn't be here doing these videos if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos and supporting me. That does mean so much to me. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, click on that notification bell. That way when I do upload, you are notified. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watch my Instagram stories or TikTok videos for updates. You guys, before I forget, I almost did not record myself taking a little thumbnail picture. So here's my thumbnail picture. That's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.